Today, I'm going to show you one of the more gorgeous housing developments here in southern Cebu, Luana Homes Dos. This is located about 1 kilometer from the highway and approximately 2 kilometers from Anjo World, Snow World, Minglanilla District Hospital, and other commercial establishments. This episode is brought to you by Filipino Homes and Cebu Daily News. And my name is Elddie Benigay, a unit manager for Filipino Homes. I'm here today for the virtual property tour, and this is the single detached unit. Behind me, this one is a single attached. This is a dressed up unit of the single attached. This will not be the deliverable once you move in here. However, most of these, what you see here, will be upon turnover, which means there is the tiles, a kitchen counter, which is marble or granite. Pretty big kitchen counter here. And this single detached unit has 4 bedrooms. We have one here at the ground floor, and this will be considered as the guest room. 3 more floors are upstairs. Let's go. This single detached unit is 120 square meter in lot area and about 150 square meters in floor. First, we'll see here the small bedroom, which is perfect for your kids. Fits 2 single beds. Another 1 bedroom here for another one of your kids. And of course, the master's bedroom, which has its own restroom or bathroom, however you call it. This is your view when you wake up. Imagine the possibilities. Coffee here, French toast. Price starts at 8.1 million pesos with flexible payment terms. Single attached, which has about 80 square meters in lot area, starts at 5.4 million, and townhouse, which has 60 square meters in lot area, starts at 4.5 million pesos. Let's go around the parking area. You can fit 2 cars here. Car number 1, car number 2. We also have a back door, just in case you left your keys inside. There's a back door and the guest room. This is a single detached dressed up unit. The look inside is basically the same, but this single detached is much bigger. And what's the difference, by the way, between single detached and single attached? Imagine this is your lot area. For a single attached unit, your house will be attached to at least one of the lot boundaries. Okay? For a single detached, your house will have a front yard, backyard, and side yards. You can run around outside. So that's the difference between single attached and this one, single detached. This is Luana Homes Dos, and If you are very interested, if you are very keen on getting a property as beautiful as this one, you may contact me on all my social media. I'm at Elddie Benigay on Instagram, Elddie Benigay on Messenger and Facebook, Elddie Benigay on Twitter. I'm also on TikTok. I'm Elddie_real estate. And my mobile number is 0905-206-0292. And this has been your virtual property tour brought to you by Filipino Homes and Cebu Daily News. Talk to you soon. Bye.